Parameters to purchase a boiler. What is a boiler? A boiler is a closed vessel, or container in which fluid, typically water, is heated. The heated or vaporized fluid exits the boiler for use in various processes or heating applications, such as heating water for central heating, generating steam for power generation, industrial processes, and providing hot water for sanitation and cooking. How boiler functions. The boiler operates by transferring heat from a combustion process or electric heating elements to the water or other fluid contained within the boiler. The heat energy raises the temperature of the fluid, generating steam or hot water that can then be circulated through pipes to heat spaces or power equipment. Parameters required to purchase a boiler. 1. Boiler fuel type. Specify the type of fuel available or preferred for the boiler, such as natural gas, propane, oil, biomass, coal, or electricity. 2. Boiler heat output capacity. This is typically measured in terms of British thermal units, per hour, BTU, HR, or kilowatts, kW. It measures the amount of heat energy the boiler can generate per unit of time. 3. Boiler efficiency. Efficiency indicates how effectively the boiler converts fuel into usable heat. It's usually expressed as a percentage and can vary based on factors like design, fuel type, and operating conditions. Boiler operating pressure. The pressure at which the boiler operates is measured in pounds per square inch, SI, bars, or atmospheres. This parameter is crucial for applications that require specific pressure levels, such as steam generation for industrial processes. 5. Boiler operating temperature. The temperature of the heat transfer fluid, e.g., water or steam, produced by the boiler. It's essential to ensure that the boiler can achieve the required temperature for the intended application. 6. Boiler physical size and installation requirements. Consider the physical dimensions of the boiler, including footprint, height, and weight, to ensure it fits within the available space and meets installation requirements. 7. Specify boiler safety features. Look for safety features such as pressure relief valves, temperature controls, and flame supervision systems to ensure safe operation and compliance with regulations. 8. Boiler emissions. Assess the emissions produced by the boiler, including pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, NOx, carbon monoxide, NO, and particulate matter. Compliance with emission regulations may be required depending on the application and jurisdiction. 9. Boiler life cycle costs. Consider not only the initial purchase cost, but also the long-term operational and maintenance costs, including fuel consumption, maintenance requirements, and expected lifespan. modularity and scalability. For applications where future expansion or modification may be needed, consider boilers that offer modularity and scalability to accommodate changing requirements.